Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, January 15th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. After all the excitement we had yesterday, today was kind of a letdown and rather disappointing. You know, we had gotten into that great trade in Blackberry yesterday, the last half hour, and we were holding over $13,000 in open trade equity in Blackberry on the close. And what happened basically says you should never count your profits in open trade equity until you've closed it out. And I knew we were going to have some problems because after doing the video yesterday, I checked the aftermarket, and Blackberry just plunged. And I guess, you know, the rumor that had caused the big spike up was denied, or in any way a lot of selling came in. So this morning when we got out, most of that $13,000 had disappeared. Anyway, you know, we only had 2 positions yesterday, and actually we only got into 2 today. So once Blackberry withered, there wasn't too much else to talk about. You look at now, having said all that gloomy stuff, let me say that I'm rather pleased with the action in the Dow. We've seen this big sell-off, and it came down yesterday and tested its previous lows, and what I really would not have liked to have seen is a rally today. I was very happy the Dow basically went sideways and settled down 106 points. Not at its low of yesterday, but getting pretty close. And I think this is setting us up for a pretty strong up move very soon, possibly tomorrow. We'll just have to see. But if it does, you know, we're going to get into it, and it's almost certain to be very profitable for us. So the pattern in the Dow looks good to me. I'll show you a couple of the charts to show you why I'm gloomy. This first one, this was the only other stock we were into other than Blackberry. This is Kalyn Petroleum, and we had bought this yesterday in the afternoon, and yet it closed pretty good. You know, this morning when that stock was up here, we were up over $3,000 on it, but it pulled back pretty quickly. By the time we got out, we took about $1,500 out of Kalyn Petroleum. Nevertheless, that's a pretty decent trade. We can't complain too much about that, but this is the one I can complain about a lot. This, of course, is Blackberry, and you can see here, you know, we had jumped into this yesterday with less than 30 minutes to go, and it just didn't stop. And so it closed up here. When it closed up here, we're up over $13,000 in open trade. And then the sell-off actually starts in the aftermarket. Within 30 minutes of the aftermarket, it really starts to tank, and basically it came down to this level where we got out. So we ended up making a little over $2,000 in Blackberry. I mean, a profitable trade, yeah, but when you see your profits go from $13,000 to $2,000, that hurts a little. Can't help but think, hey, we lost $11,000. We did not, of course. Anyway, we did close out almost $4,000 for the day, and we are carrying positive just over $500 going into tomorrow, but we only have 2 positions on. And actually, looking at the Dow chart, I have this feeling I would like to be carrying 25 positions going into tomorrow, because I don't see how the Dow is going to do anything but go up tomorrow, but we'll see. I could be wrong. Anyway, we still made money today. I guess I shouldn't be that unhappy. And this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you all tomorrow on Friday.